We're sponsored by Shush Prints, Fast Prints, and we are powered by World Mag. And as DJ All-Star alluded to, we have a special guest in studio. Well, proper. So, Dragon All-Star. Sorry, boss. Yeah. Sorry.
You know, I'm never working with DJ, right?
Rick, talk to your friend now, please.
Alright. I'm just carrying your card, Jamaica. You know
Sorry. Dragon All-Star. My apologies. Right, so we have Juju Blood Music in studio. How are you?
I'm good, man.
Thank you for joining us here on the UpnLive Show. Uncle Ivan. Thank you very much. Right, so I like to get people to know who our guests are. Tell us, who's Juju Reid? Who's Juju Blood Music?
Well, Juju Blood is a upcoming artist, you know what I mean, from out of Kingston, Jamaica, the son of the legendary Junior Reid, you know what I mean.
You remember one question somebody asked you earlier?
Yeah.
You remember that question there?
Yeah.
That was the response.
Yeah.
Because we have had people asking if you are actually the son of the legendary Juju Reid.
Blood, man.
Yeah, blood family.
Yeah, one
blood. Right. So what brings you here to the UK?
Well, music, you know what I mean. Working on a project right now, my album, you know what I mean, my second studio album. So
are there any details you can give us about the studio album?
Well, it's a 12-track compilation, you know what I mean. Well, a couple of collaboration, you know, with my dad, my brothers, and other artists in the business. So, you know, I've been working on it for 2 months now. So, you know what I mean,
it's coming to fruition shortly. When can we expect the album?
Style. Well, by early next year.
Okay, cool.
I feel like I'm gonna release it in January, maybe the middle part of January.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So I'm just in the mixing process right now, and getting ready to shoot some visual and
Okay. Okay. So music brings you to the UK.
Yeah.
What were you doing in Jamaica before you came to the UK?
Music.
So music from morning.
Yeah, music and family, you know.
Music and family.
Yeah.
All right. So tell us about your childhood growing up in Jamaica. What was that like? What was it being the son of your dad?
Well,
was it that you got flocked by the girls and the ladies, or was it pressuring? What was it like being in that position?
Well, just normal for me, you know what I mean? Because I'm a humble youth, so no matter the glory, what's going on in my family and with my dad and thing, you know, I always stay humble, you know, but girls them flop me still.
Hey.
So, you know what
and
I mean?
Mariela, I say one particular girl just stay, and you understand?
Yeah, a real one.
Big up to somebody in the studio that is hiding in the corner. Big up yourself, miss.
Big up yourself.
Right? Big up yourself. So how did your dad is who he is, but is it because he is a musical icon why you got started into music, or was it just a natural vibe for you?
Well, because of him too, you know, you run out of blood, you know, as him would have said, you know what I mean, and just by being around the music itself, you know, just like a sponge absorb water, you know what I mean, so we just absorb everything from him and from others, you know what I mean, and just put it in the music, you know, so at a tender age too, always at the studio with him, stage shows and those stuff, you know what I mean? So we know the runnings and we're always on the road.
So just a quick question, what age you start recording?
Professionally still is when I'm out of school still, I think.
Like age 16, that's age?
Around 17, professionally, you know what I mean? Like in the studio, take it serious. Cause we start out like with some computer thing first, and then we take it from when our father sister will really build the craft, you know what I mean?
So are you a composer of rhythm?
No, I don't. My brother.
Who's your brother?
Adoni Reid. He's a producer, you know what I mean? So
out of the One Blood family.
Yeah, he build the rhythm them on them thing there.
Okay.
You know, and other producer I work with, you know what I mean? So other from that, when I come out, how I build my craft still is when I go in the studio really, you know what I mean, and start work and just feel like, I reached there now, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Because first it's just practice and getting to learn the thing, and you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
So what is your favorite part of the creation of music? Is it the writing the music? Is it recording? Is it sitting and obviously you've sat with your brother Adoni, you said, who is a producer, watched him creating beats. What is your favorite aspect of the music creation?
Everything
from start to finish.
It's just a journey, and just to see where you start from and the outcome, it's amazing, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, everything about it.
Okay. Just a quick intervene. Like, I listen to a few of your songs, and to me, they sound a bit different from your dad's work. Is it like you guys are doing this hybrid reggae music like what Chronix and Coffee and the Protege are doing now?
Well, you can say that still. It's not really hybrid, but we have Rutical like live project on, because I dropped a project in 2015, my first album, The Young Veteran. A lot of old school vibes and like from Bakuru days that my father produced and those things. I did like some songs like that to show homage to him, you know. Show homage to his legacy. It's not like we're doing like this modern reggae thing or this dance
reggaeton kind of thing.
Nothing is wrong to do like the modern reggae and the hybrid reggae, because I think that young artists have to live with their time and the time where the music is going with. You have to kind of build your own legacy. And I listen to quite a few of your tracks, and it don't sound like the typical reggae music that we used to, because the music have to evolve at some point. But it still have a strong reggae root.
It's root because it's what we grew up on, you know what I mean? I make sure that's it, and the message, you know, because the message is really important.
Yes.
You know what I mean? I don't really want the commercial music and those stuff, you know what I mean? I want to know, so when you listen to my music, you can relate. Get something and know, say, yo, this youth serious, you know what I mean?
And you can also relate to it.
Yeah, about black people and black race, and all care about our race, you know what I mean? And building and empower my people, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Okay, so for your next album, which is a 12-track album, do you have a favorite song on it?
Well,
or do you have a few favorites?
Yeah, I have a couple.
Yeah, a few favorites.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and performance-wise, are you performing while you're here in the UK?
Yeah, I just did a show in Hackney, like I think 2 nights ago.
Okay. And how was that for you?
It was a good vibe.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, at the girl.
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah. And when can we next see you performing?
Well, I'm not sure right now. I just have to check the bookings right now.
That's fine. All you do, just let us know when you're performing, so you know your fans. You know.
But right now, I'm really in the studio, just
patting things down.
Make it mix up.
Yeah.
Getting the project and
let's talk about label. In terms of label, are you signed with any label at the moment?
JR Production, my dad.
JR Production.
Yeah, Junior Production.
Okay, so you signed with the dad. Yeah. Okay, so that include the full shebang about just like the recording, the mastering, that the video, the production.
Yeah.
Everything.
Okay.
Everything.
Nice.
Okay, that's very good. That's very good.
Nice.
And in the future, what can we expect from Juju Reid?
There's great works and there's collaboration with international artists out there. You know,
such as? Are you going to keep everything a secret?
We're not going to say it.
All right.
See it happening.
Let's keep it a bit local then on our side. In England, who would you look to have a collab with over here in this industry over here in London? This industry.
Well, you have no few. I rate the UK rapper them, you see me?
Like who? Call name no?
Yeah,
you look like you're afraid for call name.
No, I'm not afraid for call name. You have one like Fredo, you have one like Chip. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Chip been putting the work from day one.
Yeah, man, you have no real youth out there, man. You see, man like Cash will just return back, you know. Them one there from yard, them one there my family, you know what I mean? So, enough youths out there where, yeah, man.
Yeah, so anybody who's watching and you want to work with Juju Reid, Juju Blood Music, me keep on call you by Instagram name, which is not a problem. You don't know, just jump in at the DM, right?
Yeah.
Can give permission. Of course.
You
check
know
it out.
You know what it is. Yeah. See if you guys can work out something.
Can work something out.
No, we just put out the work and you know what I mean?
Because you guys are the future of the music industry.
No, man.
I mean, the veterans. Exactly.
You know what I mean?
There's unity in strength.
And I guess Juju Reid, you have a very big shoes to fill because your father is the great.
Yeah.
True. I know that, man.
Reid. So
real time.
It's a big shoes for you to fill, and people will be expecting a lot from you because you are offspring of the great generation.
And I'm sure that you all have been making him proud. Your brother
every day.
And you don't know, so that is very, very, very vital.
Yeah, man.
You ready?
So right now, this is the part we call. You know what we call a part here? Freestyle. Yeah.
Why we call it that?
You know why we call it freestyle? Because everybody come up in TGM radio. We normally play a beat and they have to do some bars on it. And why it's called freestyle? Because we don't pay nobody any money to do it. So this is
here is your surprise.
So it's a little surprise just to show. So we're gonna put down some bars. I'm gonna play a rhythm.
This is where your versatility is gonna show.
People, right now on the UpnLive Show is all about the artist we call Juju Reed on the freestyle.
Lord have mercy. Hold on there. I'm say young veteran. Young veteran, tell them I'm a young veteran. Follow me now, young veteran. Yeah. Yo, so make me take you from the new days and bring you back to the old school. But we never have no CD, DVD, nor no Pro Tools. When I stick the cassette 45 analog bowl, I get no news. If your voice I mess up, you can't pick up. Yo. That's it though. Alright. Yeah. When me tell them, man a winner. Me tell you from morning, say man a winner. Man a start from me looking at the man born as a winner, winner. Me want buy ya, if you can't buy ya, then me go and zimmer. Tell them, man born as a winner. Born as a winner, die as a champion. Big fat Rolex, the brown finger on. Still account all money, new money, bank it up. Why you always have something for say stop chat me no? See me with me things stop watch me no. Remember me used to walk down my shoes, now me press gas pedal, man don't pay the dues. Admission, you see the blessing where you get when you have ambition. Hold on, nobody running when the thing turn up, you're running the skin burn up. Turn it up. Hold on there. Yeah. Gold teeth in a me mouth, man a veteran. Gold chain round me neck, young veteran. Cheesy foot and clocks that na get along. Diamond socks come from England, wall on there. Look how me sat up on big bad rhythm. People no want go home, everybody a listen. The old and the young, the madman say it wicked, and me say in come the young veteran. Well, I me say who no know, so when you see me now, them call me the young veteran. New York massive call me the top ranking. England them call me Mr. Well on me na me Cardiff, right? Cardiff, I when me get it from me, come for the daddy. Right.
No. That's Juju Reed on the freestyle. You know the thing, go Juju Reed, give thanks. You know right now before you go, I'm gonna play one of your songs cause the people want to hear what Juju Reed all about. So I'm gonna introduce this one. The first song I'm gonna play tonight. This song is titled Not Enough. I'm kind of hear that song. I like that song.
True.
Because that song talk some deep things.
Reality,
so
man.
People, if you're on the live right now, listen, or you're on the app, just play that song.
No matter the good you do for people, we say it's still just not enough. You take all your loss, it's still just not enough. Them just sit down for your name every day. Them no want to see you crab in a boiler, so them stay. Them just can't have enough. Them can't satisfy. Them lazy and don't want try. Watch everything we buy. No one work hard, so them get ready. Die. How you feel for every day you broke? And I gamble cash, but a chat say you all live off a look.
That was Juju Reed. This song is titled Not Enough. And remember, people go out and support the music. It's on all major platforms. Seeing? Yeah, and remember, our song is very, very cheap. So support the music, support the movement. Right?
Buy the music.
Tell them again, no, please.
That's why I said go and
look at the camera and tell them. All the artists.
Everybody put out hard work.
The song is very cheap. Like the dearest song right now is like maybe £2 something. That's really nothing. So you can go out and support a one song I don't say you can buy every man's song every time, but if you hear a song you like it, go spend your little money and buy it.
And support the artist, yes.
Support the artist because that's how you make fee money.
Yeah, that is how it is. Yes, so is there anything, anybody you want to shout out, anything you'd like to say to our listeners and reviewers?
I mean, I big up the massive who tune in, you see me? Big up the London massive and Brixton massive. Big up the whole of Jamaica, you know, because them just celebrate the Heroes
Day,
you know what I mean?
yesterday.
So
yesterday was a good one.
You know what I mean? Big up the One Blood family, big up my father Junior Reed, 91, Bloods, Amo, Joshua.
Everybody.
My
boss.
The whole works.
Yeah, so we want to thank you for passing through the UpnLive Show. We do appreciate it, and we wish you all the very best in
before you go.
All that you do.
Socials, please.
Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, Juju Reed Music, YouTube, that's Juju Blood, Facebook, Juju Blood, everything Juju Blood,
and Instagram, Juju Blood
from
Music.
From you Google it, Juju
everything
Blood,
comes up.
Everything pop up. You know what I mean?
No worries.
Yeah,
so once love and blessings and light, brother.
Thanks,
keep up the good work, and we're looking forward to your album
Yeah,
in the early part of 2020.
Yeah, man,
and whenever you're ready, come back to the UpnLive Show and keep us posted.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Juju Reed, give thanks for passing through the studio, brethren, and continue walk good and continue that musical journey there.
Yeah.
We've been looking for. We continue going to look forward for your upcoming projects in the near future. So remember the email address and just send it.
Just send them through.
That was Juju Reed, people on the UpnLive Show.